How are you all doing? Ralfy here, Ralfy Customs. Been have a look at this Sportster, my little Sportster bobber. If you follow me on social media, you'll see that I've done a few things to it over the last few weeks, including fitting a long rear mudguard. Now, unfortunately for me, we suffered a bit of a mechanical failure with it during yesterday's ride with the Sportster sickness. Big love, guys. We'll go in close and have a look, and then we'll try and work out the best way to put it right. Yeah, and we'll fucking get on with it and get it done. So let's dive in, see what's wrong, see the options for fixing it, and I'll show you how I'm going to work it. No worries. Right, what's happened is we've got a bit of fucking floppy fucking doodahs. Look at this fucker. Look, I barely got home. Thanks for everyone who helped me get back from yesterday's ride out with the fucking floppy back mudguard. What a fucking state. And what's happened, unfortunately, we've got a bit of metal fatigue. Here, look, the standard fucking Harley Davidson tube that runs across here is not as structurally sound as I thought it was. So my brackets, look, haven't failed. The fucking tube I welded it to has. Who knew? Bit piss poor for Harley Davidson, but there you fucking go. Now, I can reinforce this. I can clean it all up, fix this, weld it all up, make it solid, but it's going to tear again. So I'm going to either have to cut this out, put a strong bit of tube in, which means I've got to strip all the battery out, all the oil tank out, probably take the back wheel out to gain access, then spray it all up when it's done and wait till winter for a repowder coat. I can weld it all up and reinforce this, which is a good option as long as the ends don't fail then. Or I can look at obviously welding it all up, but then fitting a secondary mount to give it the support that it obviously needs. Now, unfortunately for me, someone's hacked the back of the frame off, so the standard fender strut bits aren't there anymore. So I'm not quite sure the best way to go about it. I'm going to look at making up some aluminium brackets, yeah? Some little supports, probably come halfway, and they'll quite suit it. They'll go with a silver and black look. I don't want to drop it down too far because I'm going to put some shorter shockers on when they arrive. So I'm going to look at making up some aluminium fender struts that I'm going to mount somehow off here. We'll probably end up welding threaded inserts in the back and bolting them through, or I don't know. We'll see what happens, yeah? Let's get on with it and have a look. Right, so we've welded that back up, we've repaired the tear in the tube, cleaned it down, put a bit of fresh weld top and bottom. Now I'm going to whack the back mudguard back on and see if there's a way of adding some side brackets or something similar if we're going to go down that route. So, what we've ended up with is a bracket on top of the frame. There wasn't room between the fender and the frame to get the strut in without shaving it down to fuck all. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to keep it looking chunky monkey. And we've got to smooth them off and finish them and all the rest of it, make them look pretty. and obviously spray where I've welded the bracket and spray where I've repaired the original fender mounts, which are now nice and solid. And I think once that's all good and made nice, then that will certainly be up to the fucking job. So there's the finished thing. I've purposely, believe it or not polished them within an inch of the lives, because I want them to sort of gradually age and blend in. This is not a super polished bike. Yeah, sorry about the fingers. So we're all bracketed, and I'll try and show you. It is fucking as firm as a fucking firm thing. So if I ever decide to put a second seat on a rear seat, you know, it's about there, it's got scope for it. Certainly strong enough. There's the 2 rear points now with their little fender struts and 3 at the front there. So all in all, the job's good, and thanks for watching. You can see a Triumph in the background. If you follow me, you'll know that's next to be modded out. So hopefully you'll follow that as I post it too. Big love everyone. Stay safe.